Welcome to Space Townlet! Space Townlet is a forward-thinking paradise where a new culture in the futuristic landscapes will provide life to a unique virtual town to enjoy everyday life. Mechas are the very first characters for the Townlet. These cute little mechas will make sure the Townlet is safe. They are the army to protect the Townlet. There are several ranks of mechas. Have a sneak peek. Aha, I said sneak peek. There is an early bird queue open already. Sign up for the raffle. Only 100 mechas for the Phase 1, so hurry up. To get more updates, follow us on Twitter and Discord.